You've categorized this crisis as a crisis like no other. Can you tell us more about what are some of the major characteristics of this situation like no other that we're facing at?
Well, first, we are faced with the deepest contraction since the Great Depression. The world economy is going to shrink by 3% in 2020, and that is provided that by the middle of the year there is advancement in containing the epidemic around the world. Second, it is truly a global crisis. We expected just 3 months ago that 160 countries will see positive per capita income growth, and now we expect 170 countries to see negative per capita growth. Third, it is very difficult to use traditional economic measures like stimulus to generate demand in this crisis, because we actually don't want people to go out and shop. We don't want them to go to work. And for the first time in the history of the IMF, epidemiologists are those who are informing our macroeconomic forecasts. Last but not least, a combination of a health crisis and an economic crisis means that they can reinforce each other. A lower growth means less incomes in the purses of governments, and therefore it makes it harder to support the health systems that are so critical.